my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going shopping. Come ride with me. Let's do some grocery shopping. So guys, I'm heading out to the international supermarket where I can get my Jamaican products. So I'm just gonna get some Jamaican stuff along with some vegetables.
You know, cinnamon, for you hear the voice, you know, say a chat boss. And I represent for the most creative person on YouTube. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J word, I hear a word. Chat boss, Chap City, hear me say, welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want to learn. Welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want to learn. Sister J world full of beer vibes. Have you watch when she premiere in live. Everybody have to just get in the vibes. Like, comment and please subscribe. Sister J world that me choosing. Food where she cook, can't refuse it. When she blend up the natural juices. Oh Jesus, me say this sweet me, hey. Welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want to learn. Welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want to learn. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J, I hear a word. Sister J, you know the vibration go. And when they represent for Sister J channel, check it out on YouTube. Me advise everybody for like, comment, share, and remember to subscribe. Leave a comment, tell her what you think. You know, click the link. Click the link. Me a welcome everybody right now. Hear me say, welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want to learn. Welcome to Sister J world. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J world. Tune in to the channel if you want to learn. Sister J world that we choosing food where she cook. Not refusing when she start blending up the natural juices. Oh Jesus, me say this sweet me, hey.
If you're here and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so. Hit that red subscription button and then you hit that notification bell. Put it on all so you can be notified of future uploads or a live stream that I'll be having on this channel. And if you're not yet connected with me and Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine, please run over there and subscribe to the channel. I go another bag of thing over there. I cook up some food over there. Over here on Sister J's World, that's where I'm doing the vlogging and the natural juice and thing. No meat over here, so if you want meat, go over Sister J Caribbean Cuisine. All right? Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for all the share. I thank you so much for all the likes. I really appreciate it. Now that I finished shopping, I'm heading back home. Guys, I really appreciate the love and the support. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. One love.